The Supreme Court of India, in a landmark judgment, has reinforced the principle that the condonation of delay must be based on bona fide reasons. In H. Guruswamy ORS. Week A. Kraushnaya, Civil Appeal Number 317 of 2025, the court overruled a Karnataka High Court decision to condone an extraordinary delay of 2,200 days, restoring the trial court's rejection of the delayed application. The bench comprising Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice R. Mahadevan emphasized the role of limitation laws in ensuring judicial efficiency and preventing dilatory tactics, observing that the rules of limitation are based on principles of sound public policy and equity. Supreme Court's observations. The Supreme Court delivered a sharp critique of the High Court's decision, noting several errors in its approach. No sufficient cause for delay. The court found the respondents' explanations for the delay lacking in bona fide intent. Once a party loses the right to have a matter considered on merits due to their own prolonged inaction, they cannot later invoke substantial justice to override established legal principles, the bench held. Importance of limitation laws. The judgment underscored that limitation is not a mere technicality but a vital legal principle rooted in public policy. The rules of limitation are based on principles of sound public policy and equity. No court should keep the sword of Damocles hanging over the head of a litigant for an indefinite period, the court observed. Role of judicial conscience. Criticizing the High Court's leniency, the bench remarked, "We are constrained to observe that the High Court has exhibited complete absence of judicial conscience and restraint, which a judge is expected to maintain while adjudicating AAEs between the parties." The court highlighted that the respondent had repeatedly litigated the same issue despite adverse findings in prior suits, making the present case barred by res judicata in prior suits, Misuse of delay condonation principles. The court noted that concepts like liberal approach and justice-oriented approach must not be misused to frustrate the substantive law of limitation. Decision. The Supreme Court allowed the appeal, restoring the trial court's 2014 decision to dismiss the recall application. Justice Pardiwala, writing for the bench, clarified that procedural compliance is integral to maintaining fairness in judicial processes. The bench concluded, while considering the plea for condonation of delay, the court must not start with the merits of the main matter. The duty of the court is to first ascertain the bona fides of the explanation offered by the party seeking condonation.